Alright, this is Bowie Brothers Tactical to introduce to you the Guardian. Behind us you see that we have tested the Guardian. This is the actual axe that was used for all the testing, and you can see that video on our website at BowieBrothersTactical.com. You can see us on Facebook at Bowie Brothers, and we are working on a Kickstarter campaign to have partners join us in launching this company, Bowie Brothers Tactical. We are excited about the Guardian. The Guardian is something we started about 7 years ago with an idea. You came up with an idea.
Well, it started out, I wanted a higher end survival tool. And so where'd I go? I went online, and everywhere I looked, I couldn't find what I wanted. So I would find sometimes a shape that was close to what I wanted, maybe some handle styles that were okay, but more often than not, it was just disappointing. I would find designs that were more show and certainly no go to them. There would be points everywhere, which just help you stick things into yourself or someone inadvertently. You should have one purposeful point, and it should be straight to transfer your energy from the head all the way to the point. And that's what I wasn't seeing. I was seeing a lot of hooks and funky things and spikes and spikes and spikes and why? All you do, yeah, okay, it's a nice thing to hang on the wall, but it's not a survival tool. It's not a search and rescue tool. And they would find lots of steels that I thought were inferior, quite frankly. They would be lots of tool steels, but tool steels people used 60, 80 years ago.
Spring steels.
Yeah, spring steels. I mean, those are great. I mean, you know, I have a forge and I use spring steels, and I've got no issues with that. But for a survival tool, what we found, and we spent, I don't know, months and months researching steels, finding, okay, we need something to survive huge amounts of abuse, but a sledgehammer will do that.
Yeah, but it won't retain an edge if you ever did sharpen one.
So it has to have huge amounts of abuse and hold an edge. So there aren't a lot of steels that will do that. Fortunately, we came across Crucible Particle Metallurgy, CPM 3V, from Crucible Steels in Pennsylvania. And they create 3V, which is a powdered metal steel, considered one of the super steels, and it was originally created to punch other steel out, a die stamping steel. So it had incredible toughness and edge retention when tempered around 57, 58, so that it wouldn't deform when it was punching out metal parts. And so you have that, and then I found that there were lots of survival tools, tomahawks, that would temper the head or temper the point. And all this would remain untempered. And there's a reason for that, is then this could be used as a shock absorber. The problem is that you're making up for an inferior metal. You're trying to give it a crutch so that it won't damage. And with 3V, tempered from here to here to here, every piece of this metal from handle to tip is one solid quarter-inch piece of tempered plate. It will not deform. It will not damage. I mean, please visit our video where we do all of this destruction and hold it up after every test to show you no damage. And then we show you how sharp the edge is after all that testing. So you have the steel, you have the design, a straight point, and not a lot of points everywhere else. Solid temper. You need a good handle then. A lot of handles I saw were rubber coated and or plastic and or I don't even know what else. All kinds of crazy stuff. And yeah, plastic or rubber, you can mold it and shape it into really anything you want and have it all look funky and cool, but is it going to survive? Is it rugged? Will it hold up to extreme use, abuse, and not fail you?
So part of our design then was to put some relief in the handle so that it would not transfer the energy down the handle and vibrate on you as you were using it. Some of the design change that we're already going to implement in our Kickstarter campaign is a handle that grabs where it is now and then one higher. So you have ability to swing it much faster for certain applications. And then we'll move the holes up so that that same energy dampening happens with the holes again.
And the handle material is G10, so it's epoxy imbued in fiberglass, and it's maintains its grip in hot, cold, wet, dry. Doesn't matter. You're not going to slip on this.
And then we thought it important to put a lanyard on it because you saw in the video of its testing, he would tighten up on this so that he had a good strong grip on it. And also, in certain applications, you don't ever want to lose that tool that you're trying to breach into a certain situation or in a survival situation. You want that tool close to you so that it doesn't fall over the cliff or into the water, or whatever application you're using.
And we're going to offer the, this is completely powder coated, and we'll offer it in black, OD green, and desert tan.
This also comes with an optional sheath. The sheath will be able to be purchased separately for it's high quality leather made by a local leathersmith, and each one is hand done. These will be a one-piece design. Right now this was our test fit, but it will end up being a one-piece design with rivets across the front, double snap, place to hold it on your belt. These can be slid into backpacks. They're 18 inches long, hung off of gear and hung off the belt. So very versatile in how you might carry it.
So I think to our original intent, we succeeded greatly in creating an extreme survival tool that can withstand virtually anything and maintain an edge. As you can see, impacts of bricks and blocks and cutting chains and conduit, chopping off doorknobs and breaching doors, withstand just about anything and maintain an edge. So see us on our website, BowieBrothersTactical.com.
And join us on Facebook, Bowie Brothers.
And join our Kickstarter campaign. Partner with us. Help us launch this product to get this ultimate survival tool out into the marketplace so that others may use it. And see our other videos. We're going to
be posting more videos. History of how we got into knife making and tomahawk making. Went from idea to realized kind of our ultimate tomahawk. If we were going to pay X amount of dollars to find a good one, well, we ended up sinking our investment into building one for our own use, and then it really came out to, why don't we introduce this to everyone as a very substantial breaching tool, survival tool that really is indestructible.
Kill a lot of zombies with it.
We will be posting a video about zombies because we do believe it is the ultimate zombie killing machine.
And also, if you have any suggestions, tell us online in the comments, and we'll queue up some more things. We have some more things in the pipeline for testing. Thank you.